In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt features. Whether you're new to AI chatbots or just looking to make the most of Chatgpt's capabilities, this guide is here to walk you through the essentials. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Chatgpt. This is the starting point for all your interactions and where you'll harness the powerful capabilities of this AI tool. Once you've logged in and have the interface up and running, the next step is to create a new chat. Think of this like opening a fresh page in a notebook, ready to jot down all your questions and interactions with Chatgpt. Once your chat is open, simply type your query in the text box. It's as straightforward as sending a message to a friend. Chatgpt is designed to understand a wide range of topics, so feel free to ask questions or request information on anything that comes to mind. After sending your query, Chatgpt will process the input and respond to you with an answer. Moving on, let's enhance your experience by customizing the chatbot according to your preferences. Click on your profile icon and navigate to the settings menu. Here, you will find various options to fine-tune your interaction with Chatgpt. Under the personalization section, you can modify Chatgpt's behavior and tone. This allows you to choose whether you want the responses to be more formal, casual, or tailored in another way to suit your personal or professional needs. Now, for those who work with numerous documents, Chatgpt has a handy feature for you. In the chat interface, click the File Upload button. This feature enables you to upload documents directly into the chat. You can then ask Chatgpt questions about the content within those documents. It's a fantastic tool for tackling reports, articles, or any other written material you might need help with. As you continue to work with Chatgpt, using conversation history to maintain context can greatly improve the flow of information. Chatgpt keeps track of your ongoing conversation, which helps it provide more relevant and accurate responses based on earlier exchanges. This is particularly useful when dealing with complex topics that require a thread of continuity. Lastly, as you accumulate various chats, you have the option to archive or delete them based on your preference. Archiving is useful for preserving important conversations, while deleting helps manage space and maintain privacy. And there you have it, an easy guide to using the core features of Chatgpt. I hope this helps you make the most of this versatile AI tool, enhancing productivity and adding a touch of customizability to your daily tasks. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to explore and experiment with these features. Until next time.